At this time, folks, once more, remember to please remain seated at all times. Keep your arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle, and for your safety, please hold on. So we have a very exciting opportunity right now, folks. So far, of course, we've been driving past quite a few sound stages. Right now, we're entering one of them, sound stage number 50, where we're working on an upcoming production. This is what we call a hot set. That's a technical term, means everything is camera ready. This is exactly as it will be filming on Monday. But I want to point out, comparison to a lot of the locations that we've been driving through so far, look at all the tiny details that goes bring a location like this alive. Honestly, most of our backlot sets are going to keep fairly bare until the production comes in, and that's where production designers really come into play. Now, they work heavily with the director to come up with that's where the fuck is in California. Hold on. Uh-oh, folks. It's just congratulations, folks! You all just survived Earthquake, the big one. Inspired by a disaster, classic film Earthquake, which was originally released on November 15th of 1974. The film starred Charlton Heston, Richard Roundtree, and Gardner. I will mention, by the way, there was another disaster classic that was originally supposed to be released just a month after the film.